Usually, when you plug something into your computer, it just works because of something called plug and play. Plug and play means it works as soon as you plug it in. No extra setup needed, the device just works. But what can we do if they don't just work? Before you throw the devices away or try to return it, try these 3 simple fixes. Step 1. Try a different USB port. Most computers, even laptops, have multiple USB ports. If the device is not working in one port, it might work in another one. If you have a second computer and the device works there, you can now narrow the issue down to your computer, not the USB device. Step 2. Reboot your computer. Yep, it's the classic IT fix, and I know you're probably tired of hearing it, but I will never get tired of saying it. Rebooting can fix a lot of strange device issues, like USB problems. Step 3. Check Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager from your computer. Find the device in the list. For example, headphones may show under Audio Devices. Right-click on it, uninstall it, then unplug the device and plug it back in. Windows should try to reinstall it automatically. If that still doesn't fix it, you can always reach out to trusted help like the technicians here at My Computer Works. Our qualified US-based techs are ready to help, and our contact information is always in the description below our videos. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.